Hey there, Toolholics. Today we're going to do a review of Mastercraft Maximum 16 gauge brad nailer. It'll hold nails, 16 gauge nails, up to 2.5 inches and fire them. The refill lever, you pull it up and it locks in place nicely. Slide your nails into the end, push the button and locks them back down. That's nice and easy. It's if you ever used one of these and had to worry about the padded shoe for the plunger and realized that they fall off all the time, they're kind of irritating, and eventually they probably get lost. Well, Mastercraft solved that by attaching it onto the side of the gun here really well, and that's been sitting there actually since I got the gun. As you can see, I've beat the crap out of it. It's really reliable and holds up. And I know what you're thinking. It's a Mastercraft tool. That's not a professional tool. Well, the Maximum Mastercraft tools are higher end than the regular Mastercraft, and the really neat thing about the Mastercraft Maximum stuff is they have lifetime warranty, and the warranty is really easy, and it's a real lifetime warranty. So if you end up breaking this tool, you walk into a Canadian Tire with your broken tool and walk right out with a brand new one. No mailing it in, no showing a receipt, no, none of that stuff. Easiest warranty. The Mastercraft Maximum tools are about the easiest to warranty. Now, I'll admit, a lot of Mastercraft tools are pretty Mickey Mouse, and this one, this one is not. It's a fantastic tool. So it's you can see here, it's got this little lever for bump fire or single fire. Only girls use it on single fire. We'll fire a couple of nails, see how it shoots. It shoots reliably, very rarely jams. The depth setting on here, you can see it's not printed on the little diagram for which way goes which. It's easy to see for old men with bad eyes, and my big fat thumb fits in there just fine to rotate that dial. It's pretty easy. On the occasion that you do jam a nail in it, which happens occasionally, it's really easy to open up and clear your jam. You don't need any tools or look for that stupid wrench or Allen key that came with it that you lost on the first day you were using it. It's got a nice little belt hook here, and the belt hook actually works fairly well, and it doesn't really get in the way of anything, which is nice. The clip holds quite a few nails, as you can see. You can fill it up to about here, so you get about little more than 2 full strips. Ergonomics, it's relatively lightweight. It's got a magnesium body, so that helps with that, and it's pretty comfortable to hold in your hand. It doesn't have any funny angles that get in the way. They conveniently, or intelligently, cut the end of the nail holder here at a bit of an angle, so you can get a little bit more angle on things. Biggest part is on the top. This is where you end up trying to get into tight places is in here, and as you can see, it can really fit into tight places well, in the corners where you want it. So, it comes with a hard case. This is a pretty rugged and durable hard case. It's not the most durable and rugged. It's not too bad of a case. I don't know if it's got a whole lot of spaces for putting nails in it, but it is a trim gun, so you want to be a little bit more gentler with how you store it, and having a hard case is not a terrible idea. Like all nail guns, it comes with a dumb pair of safety glasses. Apparently, nail gun manufacturers don't approve of safety squints. For some reason, I still have the instructions here that have never come out of the bag. So it's a decent hard case if you want to store your tool in one of those. This one's pretty nice. It's fairly bulky, as you can see, but it'll keep your tool safe. You can probably tell that I've beat the crap out of this nail gun. I've used it outside, it's been in the rain, the mud, everything, and it's still going strong. Overall, this is a great gun. If I had to go buy another 16 gauge gun, which I won't because it's got a lifetime warranty, I would buy this one again over one of the brand name ones. I got it on sale. It was really cheap. I think it was 120 bucks. But yeah, I would choose this over any of the named.
If you enjoyed this review or found it useful, be sure to check out my channel for more cool tool reviews and more tool haul. If you hated this review or thought it was dumb, then feel free to call me an idiot in the comments. I'll be posting new tool reviews often, so be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell.